I be on some bullshit. Know I be driving you crazy, but I know you love how I whip it. You could only stay mad for a minute, so come here and give me some kisses. You know I'm very delicious. You know.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to Vlogmas Day 2. It is currently 7:13 in the morning, Saturday. I am on my way to the grocery store to do a lot of grocery shopping. I actually am getting a little bit of a late start. I wanted to be at the grocery store at 6:30, but that didn't happen because mama was tired. Okay, mama was tired, but I'm still getting here pretty early. So the game plan for today is I'm going to get this grocery shopping done, and then I'm going to head over to Target because they open at 8. So I'm gonna head over to Target and get the stuff that I need to get from Target. I have a list for all places, so the grocery store, and I have a list for Target because I need to make sure I stick to my list and I don't get anything that we don't need. More so as far as Target, like in the grocery store, I know I'm gonna grab like extra stuff because that's just me. But I'm really referring to like when I go to Target. I don't need to be grabbing no extra stuff when I go to Target. So I'm gonna go home and hopefully have enough time to put everything away because I have a hair appointment at 10 o'clock. So that's what I'm gonna do. Get my hair done. Y'all are gonna come with me for that. And we're just gonna have like a pretty chill Saturday. Hopefully my knee doesn't act too janky, but I really have like 45 minutes to get in this grocery store, get like what I need and get to Target. Because I really want to have enough time before my hair appointment to put all the stuff away. So that's what we're doing this morning, and you guys are gonna come with me. So we have our list. I have my pen so I can check everything off. I'm not gonna bring my camera, I'm just gonna record on my phone. So let's go. Okay, y'all, I just got to Jasmine's house to get my hair done. I got me my passion fruit peach mango tea from Publix. Y'all, Publix did a big one with that. And I got my baked salt and vinegar chips. This has been my new obsession, these baked salt and vinegar chips, for sure. But yeah, I'm about to go ahead and get in here. I was able to put all the groceries away, put everything away, put all the pantry stuff away, and like straighten up a little bit before I had to head out. And I still made it to my appointment on time. So I'm about to walk up in here and get this hair done. I'm so excited. I'm about to look like a brand new woman, okay?
Pretty little thing, you got a bag and now you wildin'. You just took it off the line, no mileage. Waiting, hitting you the DM, looking violent. Talking while you come around and now they silent. Blue the Cooper 17, no guidance. You be staying low, but you know what the price is. Ain't never got you knowing being modest. Poppin' shit, but only cause you know you poppin', yeah. You got it, girl, you got it. You got it, girl, you got it.
Hey girl, y'all, did y'all see my hair? Like, oh, I can't wait to get home to show y'all. It has grown so much, y'all. And to think I just cut it before I went to Miami. But when I got the quick weave, it's grown so much. And I think I'm in an era where I'm just gonna kind of like leave it alone and let it do its thing, cause baby, the grays is taking over. I do not know what it is about Jasmine, but one thing about her, baby, she can get your hair bone straight. Like, I think it's because when she straightens your hair, she literally takes the tiniest pieces of hair when she straightens it, and then she'll go back through and curl it, if you want it curly. But
in about 3 miles, turn right to merge onto I-95 south toward Richmond.
But yeah, I didn't want any curls or anything this time. I just wanted it straight, but like with some volume, with a little bounce. So that's what I got. It's 1:46. So I'm headed back home. It says I'll be home in 20 minutes. So I'm headed back home, and then I'm gonna stop by McDonald's and get the kids some food, because Milani's bus drivers got her a McDonald's gift card for her birthday, which I thought was so stinking cute and so sweet. Because they asked her like what she likes, and she said McDonald's. So I think like on their lunch break or something, they went to McDonald's and got her a gift card, which was so sweet of them to do. I would really like some lasagna soup. So I'm definitely going to make some lasagna soup. I was just gonna make it tomorrow, but I think I'm gonna make it tonight. Absolutely love my hair.
Stay in the second lane from right.
I'm so happy I did not have to take that quick weave out by myself, because I don't know how I would have made that happen. I will see you guys back at the house. I'm about to make lasagna soup. I already put up my hair, washed my hands. I have my pasta water going because I like to do the soup and make the lasagna noodles separate. This is everything you need for lasagna soup. Lasagna. I have mozzarella cheese and a block of Parmesan cheese. I just feel like the black Parmesan cheese tastes the best. Ricotta cheese, heavy cream. I have 1 onion, spicy Jimmy Dean hot sausage paste, crushed tomatoes. You need like a little bit of like pasta sauce of your choice. I like the carbone mushroom kind, so that's the one that I'm using. So that's everything you need, I believe. I don't think I'm forgetting anything. And then I like to let it sit for a little bit. I feel like it tastes better when you let it sit and you don't eat it right away. You can eat it right away, but me personally, I like to let mine sit for a little while and then I like to eat it. Just gonna let you guys watch me cook. Y'all, I'm finally sitting down. 6:05. I'm finally sitting down to eat. Let's see. Y'all, it looks so good. Let me give y'all a little view. Do y'all see the creaminess? Yeah. I typically like to let it sit a little bit longer, but y'all, I'm so hungry and I'm so exhausted. All I want to do is eat my soup and watch Love After Lockup. It's December 7th. I'm so behind, but like me messing up my knee really like threw me off, and us being out of town really threw me off. Because we were in Colombia when December started. So I just should have been like prepared and like pre-filmed my content like I did last year. Last year's Vlogmas was perfect. It was 8 Vlogmasses. I think I did like weekly vlogs or something like that, and they were great. Or maybe they weren't weekly vlogs. Maybe they were. I don't know. But it went exactly how I wanted it to go because I pre-filmed. It's late. It's almost 9:30, and I'm going to put the elf out for the first day. I know the first day you're kind of supposed to do some dramatic like return of the elf. I don't have time for all that, okay? I don't have time for all that. Well, I seen this one idea that I'm gonna do where basically the elf is on the wall, like tied up in string, and there's like superheroes on the floor, like basically trying to get to the elf, and the elf is like, help me. So I'm gonna do that, and then I did like a little note for the kids to read since it is the first day technically. So that's the one we're gonna do because it's short, it's sweet, it's cute, and then I can get more creative with, like, you know, as like the days go on, I'll get more creative or whatever. So yeah, my camera's dying, so we're gonna end the vlog right here. Love you guys. Good night, and I'll see y'all in the morning.